Yeah. Hello. Now let's also check out this question, this equation. We see the solving an example under the substitution method for some simultaneous equation. Now we're given this 2x plus 4y equals to 10 and 3x minus y equals to 5. Now I want to solve these two equations simultaneously and also find the value of s and y that satisfy the two equations. So from here, so you have your 2s plus 4y equals to 10. And you can call this equation 1. So you have 3s minus y equals to 5. So you call this equation 2. So, and the method of substitution from if we appear as examples. Now, you need to make s or y the surface of the formula in any of these two equations. Then you substitute their value back into the other equation. So from here, now if you check out our equation 2 very well, now the value of y, this y variable doesn't have any constant value behind it. So you can easily make y the surface of the formula from equation 2. So from equation 2, make y the subject formula. So you have 3s minus y to be equals to 5. So to make y the surface of the formula, this 3s needs to go to the other side. So you have minus y to be what? Minus 3s plus 5. But we don't want this minus sign behind the y. So when you multiply all through by negative, by minus, so this becomes y equals to minus multiplied by minus. So you have 3s minus 5. That is minus multiplied by plus. So you have 3s minus 5. So for me, we've got the value of our y equals to 3s minus 5. And we got that from where? From equation 2. That means we are going to substitute the value of y equals to 3s minus 5 back into equation 1. So from equation 1, substitute y equals to what? Y equals to 3s minus 5. So, and equation 1 is 2s plus 4y equals to 10. So when you substitute the value of y into this equation here, so you have 2s plus 4. Anyway, you see y, so you put 3s minus 5. So equals to 10. So from here you have 2s. Now when you open this bracket, you expand this, so you have plus. That will be 12s. 4 multiplied by 3, that will be 12 minus 20 equals to 10. Then the common terms. You have 2s plus 12s. That will give you 14s. Now when you take the constant value to the other side, it becomes 10. That will be 10 plus 20 at the other side. So this becomes 30. That is, when you move this minus 20 to the other side, it becomes plus 20. That will be 10 plus 20. So you have 30. So to find the value of s, the variable side is 14. 14 cancel 14. So you have s to be equals to. Now 2 can go in both. So divide this one by 2, it becomes 15 divided by 7. So this is the value of our s. Now we can't do this like this one further. Or just want to make it a mixed fraction. So that will be the value of our s. So to find y from this equation, from this expression here, let's call this equation 3. Now, say from equation 3, y equals to 3s minus 5. So when you substitute for s equals to 15 over 7 into y equals to 3s minus 5, so you have y to be 3, s is 15 divided by 7 minus 5. So you have y to be. Now when you expand this, 15 multiplied by 3, That will give you 45 divided by 7 minus 5. So the next thing to do is to find the SAM. Now this is like 5 divided by 1. So the SAM of 7 and 5 is y equals to, the SAM of 7 and 1 is 7. So you have 45 minus 7 divided by 1, that is 7. 7 multiplied by 5. 7 by 5 will give you 35. So for me, you have y to be 10 divided by 7. That is 45 minus 35 will give you 10. That will be 10 divided by 7. So that means the value of s and y that satisfy these two equations is s equals to 15 divided by 7 and y equals to 10 divided by 7. And this will be these two values.